Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a 2021 Nathan Airchime P5. This horn has a high 133K serial number. So that's going to put it, I believe, into around December of 2021. So it's not real old. This horn is actually brand new. I got it new. It's gotten a little dirty for me handling it. But it's a good sounding horn. One thing that I thought was interesting on this horn is because it's new, I'm used to your P horns squealing quite a bit. And most of my P horns have all been used, and I like that squeal. It still has the P horn squeal, but it's definitely not as prominent as some of your P horns you'll hear. Also, I guess it's the number 2 right here. It has a really long bleed time. So when I pull the valve and let off, this number 2 just keeps squealing. I guess that's just because it's brand new, and the seat where that diaphragm meets the nozzle, it's just so tight that air just has to bleed out. But anyway, I thought that was interesting. But good sounding horn, just a standard P5. It's on a gull-wing mount manifold. Just for y'all who don't know, it has bells 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1's the longest, 5 is the shortest. So anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the 2021 Nathan Airchime P5.